So today we are going to do a birch tree forest, and we're going to use chalk. Now chalk can be kind of messy. When you press down, chalk dust comes up, and if you're not careful, it will spread and do smudges all over your paper, and then it's going to look really messy and not pretty. So I'm going to put t-shirts in the middle of your table. Just make sure that after each step you're wiping your hands on the t-shirts. We're not going to put the shirts on, we're going to use them as napkins. So just one t-shirt in the middle of your table that all of you can share and wipe your hands on, okay? We're going to start by doing a little line on the bottom about, about a few fingers up. I know it's blurry, so you guys stop talking and just watch. So it's going to be a wavy line because it's going to be like hill of snow. And then we're going to move on to our trees. We're not going to color in the snow yet. We're just going to draw that line and move on to our gray chalk. So we can wipe our hands on our t-shirt and then go to our gray chalk. Now, I'm going to put my chalk so that it's down like this, below the line, not on the line, below the line. And I'm going to do a straight line all the way up to the top of the page. Then I'm going to do another one up here, and it's not going to start at the same spot. This tree starts growing here. I'm going to have this tree start growing below. And again, I went right off the page, okay? Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to do one right at the top. I left a little space in the middle, as you can see. And then I'm going to do one right at the edge. And it's going to start kind of in the, and it might be kind of thick, so I'm going to do 2 lines or maybe 3 lines, so it's a little thicker. And I might do this one a little thicker too. So 2 of them I did thicker and 2 of them I did thinner. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to put it down and I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to rub it. Very important to only rub up and down, not side to side. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Then I'm going to blow extra chalk dust off and wipe my hand on the t-shirt. Okay, then we're going to take black and we're going to go and put black on the left side only. I'm just going to put a thin line, a thin line, a thin line, and a thin line only on the left side. Then on the right side, I'm going to put white, a thin line of white. This is going to act as our highlight and our shadow, the light and dark side, okay? Now I'm going to take my finger again and go up and down a few times, okay? Up and down a few times. Up and down. Are we going side to side?
No.
No, we're just going up and down. Once I've gone up and down a few times, I'm going to go back with my black and add, I'll show you a picture of birch trees in a little bit. I'm going to add some little lines because birch trees are gray and they have these like little thin lines that go across of it. They only go side to side, no up and down lines. And I'm just using the edge of the chalk to do thin little lines, okay? Some coming from this side, some coming from this side. So see how I'm doing some on each side. They don't go across the whole tree, they just kind of look a little speckled. Again, I'm not drawing across the whole tree trunk. I'm just doing halfway across each way. Okay, now we're gonna go color in our snow. We don't color over the trees, we just color around the trees. And I'm taking my time and going slow, so I'm going around them. Then I'm going to take my finger and rub. Whenever I get too much chalk dust, I can just give a quick little blow and blow it off. Or take my finger and rub it in. Let's pretend I did all the snow, okay? Then I'm going to go back and add a little shadow for my trees. The shadow's going to go the same way as the black. So the black is on the left side, which means the shadow for the tree is going to go to the left. Makes it look like it's kind of a shadow. And then the last step is going up to the top. I'm going to put my my little moon right here. I just see a hint of it going right off the page.
That's like yellow.
And I might even just kind of smear it like it's glowing. Okay? And then we're done.